All right, mega escalation in the Slapgate case. Aam Aadmi Party accuses Delhi police of trying to leak the May 13th information to the media. Says May 13th information was leaked by the BJP's Delhi police. AAP says cops have been peddling absconding narrative against Bibhav while he wasn't. Saurabh Bharadwaj says Bibhav has right from the start agreed to cooperate with this probe and investigation. And the details of the May 13th incident that happened in the Chief Minister's house, the Aam Aadmi Party directly accusing the BJP of using the Delhi police to leak it to the media. Listen in.
13 मई को जब पहली बार स्वाति मालीवाल और विभव कुमार के विषय में आप सब लोगों को, मीडिया के लोगों को पता चला, तो कैसे पता चला? इस पूरे के पूरे मामले को हम शुरू से देखते हैं कि कौन कौन सी पार्टी है जो इसके अंदर बेहद इंटरेस्टेड पार्टी है। कोई महिला अपने विषय में कॉल करती है, 100 नंबर पे, 112 नंबर पे तो हजारों कॉल आती है, मगर स्वाति मालीवाल जैसे ही कॉल करती हैं, ये खबर मीडिया को दी जाती है। कौन देता है? भारतीय जनता पार्टी की दिल्ली पुलिस देती है। आज तक के इतिहास में मैंने कभी नहीं देखा कि 100 नंबर पे, 112 नंबर पे हेडक्वार्टर में जो कॉल होती है, उसमें जो डीडी एंट्री होती है, इतने बज के इतने मिनट पे फोन आया, इतने बज के इतने मिनट पे फोन आया, उस डीडी एंट्री की फोटो तक भारतीय जनता पार्टी की दिल्ली पुलिस रिलीज करती है। क्यों करती है? क्योंकि दिल्ली पुलिस इंटरेस्टेड पार्टी है, उनका राजनीतिक स्वार्थ सिद्ध हो रहा है इससे।
All right, let me cut across to Amit Bharadwaj, our correspondent, joining us more on that. Amit, give us what the real facts of the details is. Was Bibhav absconding in the first place? There has been this kind of messaging that Arvind Kejriwal's PA, as soon as a case was filed, a formal FIR was filed, he went absconding, and they had to rush to the Chief Minister's house after they got a tip-off, and that's where they arrested him while he was hiding. Now, this is what's been presented extensively, but give us what the fact on the ground is.
Nabila, there could be different narratives that one might want to present, but in this particular case, Vibhav Kumar was in Lucknow. This was a public knowledge. After that, he went to Amritsar. That was also very much in the public domain because he was accompanying Arvind Kejriwal as his personal assistant PA. Now, the fact of the matter is that Vibhav Kumar had filed a counter complaint with the Delhi police which was sent through an email accusing Swati Maliwal of trespassing and misbehaving with him, assaulting him, and along with that threatening the Delhi police security personnel deployed at the CMR. Yesterday in the morning around 10 itself, we had accessed that email that was sent by Vibhav Kumar to Delhi police. In this particular email, Vibhav Kumar had very particularly said that he has not received any notice from the Delhi police in regards to the FIR that was filed in the Swati Maliwal case, and that he intended to cooperate with the Delhi police in the entire investigation. And he had also mentioned his phone number, email ID along with the address in that particular email on which the Delhi police can communicate with him. Now, the Delhi police reached CM residence after that particular email was sent by Vibhav Kumar, and around 12 we had gotten to know, soon after Raghav Chadha had entered Six Flags staff mark, barely a few minutes after that, Delhi police went to this CM residence as well, and Vibhav Kumar was taken out. It was pretty clear that it's happening in the Swati Maliwal case. Now, Aam Aadmi Party is claiming that when the Delhi police had reached there, they told Vibhav Kumar that they wanted to inquire about the counter complaint that was filed by him, as well as Swati Maliwal's FIR and the complaint, the assault complaint. And eventually, Vibhav Kumar was shown as arrested when the 30 Hazari court had, reserved the order in the anticipatory bail. So, as far as Vibhav's side of the story is concerned, yes, there are documents showing that he himself had communicated Delhi police, asking them that telling them he wants to cooperate in this particular case.
All right.